LIFE Waste2Coag takes a linear process and makes it circular to save resources and protect the environment. What's the aim of the project? LIFE Waste2Coag aims to demonstrate an innovative technology for brine and metal waste valorization. Why was LIFE Waste2Coag needed? Firstly, brines. These are highly salted waters. Water treatment worldwide generates an increasingly large amount of brines that are mostly untreated and are pumped into the environment. This causes increased salinity in the soil with a negative impact on crops, as well as damage to ocean life and marine ecosystems. Secondly, metals. There is a scarcity of metal resources to make coagulants. A coagulant is a chemical that is an essential part of the wastewater treatment process. It is used to remove pollutants and pathogens from wastewater. Due to the increasing demand for metals, there are less resources and prices are rising. There are also negative environmental impacts from the way scrap metals are managed. And thirdly, coagulants. Both urban and industrial wastewater treatment plants consume a lot of these. The prices of coagulants rise continuously, and these prices are also dependent on foreign trade. In the existing linear model of wastewater treatment, brines from desalination and water treatment are pumped into the sea, surface water, aquifers and sewers, causing damage to the soil and marine ecosystems. Scrap metal from the metal industry is disposed of without being reused, and commercial iron and aluminium coagulants are purchased to treat wastewater. In the circular LIFE Waste2Coag model, brines and metal waste are used to produce coagulants to treat wastewater. The technology uses an electrolysis pilot system, or ELS, to produce the coagulants. The coagulants produced can be used in situ at urban and industrial wastewater treatment plants. Waste2Coag will therefore, firstly, valorize the brines produced in desalination and industrial plants. Secondly, valorize industrial scrap metal waste generated by the metal industry. Thirdly, generate coagulants using ELS, which can be used in urban wastewater treatment plants as well as industrial wastewater treatment plants. The technology. ELS is based on an electrolytic technology that applies continuous electrical current to two metal electrodes immersed in a solution to cause a non-spontaneous chemical change. The technology will be tested at 3 wastewater treatment plants in Spain and Belgium, 2 urban wastewater treatment plants and 1 industrial wastewater treatment plant to optimize its operation and prove its replicability and transferability among different sectors. The aim is to promote ELS as a sustainable, autonomous and decentralized technology, proposing its inclusion in EU policies and for a wider implementation and replication in sectors where wastewater purification and treatment are required. What are the expected project outputs? Firstly, to design, build and operate an electrolytic pilot system using wastes to produce coagulants. Secondly, to create coagulants with an adjustable metal concentration. Thirdly, to valorize brines during the project. Finally, we plan to demonstrate that the technology is applicable to wastewater treatment plants in the EU, where over 4 million tonnes per year of coagulant are consumed. LIFE Waste2Coag aims to boost the circular economy in wastewater treatment plants and create synergies with other sectors by using scrap metal wastes and by valorizing brines generated in wastewater treatment plants, desalination plants and industrial plants.
LIFE Waste2Coag has received funding from the LIFE programme of the European Union.